destrozado el corazón. De nueva cuenta por la causa de un amor que se ha marchado sin tenerme compasión. Llorar no es bueno, mejor se lo digo a Dios.
I love the fact that this high-performance motor probably pulled out of that drag race car over here. It's probably been sitting here for 20 years, covered with dust. But this is such a relic of all the automotive culture and love of horsepower and everything. And you come to a place like this, and you see maybe this is its final resting place. So like, that was my brake drum. Yeah. Back. Glad I didn't get someone's toes, but those are brand new. I hope they're. Anyway, think about what that car's been through, and where that came from. Where's that thing been since it left Detroit, you know? And probably up in the States somewhere, and then it ends up here, turning into a race car.
Aunque por dentro destrozado el corazón. ¿Cómo pudiste arrancarme de tu vida? Fuiste muy cruel, no te apiadaste en mi sufrir. Y la nostalgia hace hacer más grande mi herida. No cabe duda que sin ti voy a morir.
Is there anything that you're concerned about for the race?
It's funny because I'm building more and more confidence in the car, but I still have this anxiety, like at any minute it can just stop running, like for any number of reasons. But the clutch is done. It's completely gone. Like there's just nothing, you know, when you let that pedal out. I can let the pedal out completely. You saw it, like I can rev the engine. It just doesn't.
Why am I not getting any fluid down here?
Flash forward to today, and this is like, it's wildly improved. I can't even put a percentage on it, but it's just like so much better than last year. It feels like a real car now. It's drivable.
It's night and day. The Jeep is in such good condition, and it's 100% improved from last year, so a lot more confident.
It's in its mid-50s. It runs really well. This is the original engine. For me, this is what it's all about. Just kind of like experiencing what it was like maybe in 1969.
It's a long race, 1,400 miles in a 1969 Jeep. This stuff's going to come apart and we're going to have to deal with it. But
there's always something to fix or tighten or repair, and hopefully we have a really good race, which my standards for that are basically just having a good time and everybody coming home safely. And
Crossing the finish line.
We crossed the finish line last year, but it was us pushing this thing by hand, you know. That's not very satisfying. So the fact that it's running so well today and the engine feels really healthy and the transmission is working well, I'm really pleased with it right now. That's my nemesis, that girl in the pink fox outfit on a quad.
little jump right here.
Oh, wow, that was nice.
I feel like all the hard work is really paying dividends or paying off. It feels like a race car now. And I'm just like, every nut and bolt that I've turned and tightened 100 times and removed, and everything's working right now. Everything that we did is coming together in this moment, and Lily's a fantastic navigator.
We're coming up on a hard left at 300 feet.
We'll come to a fork and we blast down this way or that way or that way, going down kind of like almost a tunnel of cacti at like 70, and we're flying like as fast as we can go. And it's amazing. I get all the pure joy of driving. It's pretty incredible. I don't want to project what's going to be tomorrow, but right now I'm very in the moment down here, like 100% in the moment. That's the beauty of it. I'm not thinking about anything else except what's going on in the race.
Yes, we're looking for a rear axle for a 1973 Jeep Commando.
No, we don't have.
I'd pull the ring the cover off and then see if you have a broken ring and pinion or it's a broken axle shaft if you're confident on that.
Bro, we were in first, man.
Yep. No, I thought we were in second yesterday.
We even started in first today.
There's more metal. Look at that on the.
More metal.
There's a lot of metal. That we did this today.
Yeah, so we need to find out if it's the ring gear, which is the big gear, or if it's a spider gear on the inside.
It's the ring and pinion.
At that point, you're gonna try to. That's tough.
You don't think we're gonna find someone to fix this ring and pinion today?
It's not impossible, but my suggestion would be getting on the horn right away and see if you can find a mechanic that can do ring and pinion.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
we can help you guys out.
Yeah, hi. Fuck yeah, dude.
Thank you, Austin.
Hey, we're in Loretto. I'm with Alex Earle.
So you need do you need the whole
Pinion,
assembly,
ring
or do you
and
just need
pinion.
the center section?
Anillo y piñones.
Is anyone here speak
Anillo para Indena
Hola.
45.
Hey, habla inglés?
Commando.
Do you know where we can find the part?
Okay.
Hold my beer. Okay, what about
But he's a solid dude, races class 5, races bucks and stuff, but he's really savvy with shit. I mean, crazy savvy with shit, so.
All right, fuck yeah. All
We're
right,
going
that's
there.
really
Where's
good.
this guy?
This is La Paz.
Okay, let's go to La Paz. Get that.
Yeah.
Hear that? That's the sound of Mexico. Let's listen.
Oh yeah. This was actually my first car. It's funny. I was thinking about it the other day because that was the color of my first car. Was that? It's called Hugger Orange. So it's like full circle here. So I had a '69 Camaro. And then now I'm racing the '69 Commando, like all these years later. It's funny to have it here. I like it.
We'll tie that in to explain what's happening right now. We're still in the race.
We are still in the race.
We had a breakdown. What is it, ring and pinion gear?
Alex broke his rear axle. It got bent. That caused the bearings and the ring and pinion eventually to fail.
But magically, you know, with the brains of just 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 people far away on WhatsApp, on phone calls, and all that jazz.
And so by the time we got here, we had parts lined up. We had a mechanic lined up.
He bent the rear axle back into place using a chain and a bottle jack, which is insane.
Now he's putting the gears back in, and our fingers are crossed that
Hopefully it's better now.
Check out this tool department. This is unbelievable.
Wait, give me a little tour.
Well, we have a selection of tools here. Specialized wrenches, sockets. Can't find it, just keep digging.
This is the race. This isn't like something that we are doing to try to get back into the race, or this isn't external to it at all. This is it. This is what this event is about. And I guarantee the other teams are doing the same thing.
it's a very unpolished, it's a very unproduced kind of a thing, just because of the rugged nature of the terrain and the extreme distances involved. And you're out here in the desert, which is an environment that essentially wants to kill you all the time.
It's not easy, but I really find it compelling. There's something that drives me here for sure. Yeah. I don't know. You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. Let's check on the truck.
Yeah, let's go see what they're up to. I was kind of, you want this back or should I? Okay.
Gracias. Yeah.
No warranty.
No warranty. Yeah. It's sold as is.
That's sold as is. like, I know, he just went straight away, yeah.
Wind, Sand, and Stars, racing montage, take 2.
Every day you have a 15-minute sequence where you're like, the Jeep's working perfectly and it's at red line and the motor sounds really good and it's really fast. You're just flying and there's so much dust in the air that you kind of lose the sense of what's the sky and what's the ground beneath you. And the sky and the ground kind of become one and you feel almost just like you're on some crazy trajectory through space, silently having a perfect moment. And to me, that's what it's all about. And it's that kind of spirit of just adventure that drove me down here in the first place.
Alex Earle.
It's a Western blind snake.
Oh my gosh. Hi, baby. It is a little tiny baby snake. What?
I was making a fire, and there was
I wrestle animals.
and there was a lizard on me. Like
No way.
a lizard.
Wrestle.
Why would a lizard
Wrestle.
like
Crawl
on?
Yeah.
They're usually like they run away, you know?
I think you like enter some sort of weird, like they like sense
Energy.
Yeah.